The standing banded row is a resistance band exercise to strengthen your back muscles, especially the lats, while helping improve posture. If balancing in the standing position feels challenging, try the seated variation for more stability. Here's how to do it correctly. Secure a resistance band around a stable anchor point like a heavy piece of furniture or a squat rack post at chest level. Grab the handles or ends of the band with each hand and take a step back to create tension in the band with arms extended forward. For added stability, stagger your stance or stand with feet side by side if preferred. Personally, I find the staggered stance gives more control. Brace your core, stand tall, keep your chest lifted, and relax your shoulders. Start the row by bending your elbows, pulling the handles towards your torso, keeping elbows close to your sides. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades down and together, avoiding any shrugging. At the end of the row, pause and squeeze your back muscles for a second. Slowly extend your arms back to the starting position, maintaining control to return the band to its original length. Keep each movement smooth and controlled, engaging your muscles while maintaining a neutral spine without leaning back or hunching forward. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.